favorite character is Red Riding Hood.
Okay. And why is it? And what is special about Little Red Riding Hood?
Here.
Yes, nice.
Wow.
He's brave, so I like my. And she's also love parents. I also love parents. She's brave and me also brave.
Amazing. Brave Arina.
My favorite cartoon is Peppa Pig.
Okay.
And she's helpful and she respects to elders.
Wow.
And she cares for her little brother.
Okay.
She plays with her friends.
Okay.
And she speaks good English.
Wow. That's great. Okay.
And what do you have in common between you and Peppa Pig?
I also speak good English. She also speaks good English. I like to creativity only.
Creativity makes you happy. Wow.
Nice.
Okay.
When I play with my Lego.
You can get a superpower. What would you wish for? Don't say right now. You can take 1 minute to think. Okay? We're all your turn. You're going to talk about that. If there is a wish granting for you to have one superpower, what would you wish for? 1 minute. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, in the corona time, I can't go anywhere out, ma'am.
Okay.
So I will go fly anywhere.
Very creative. So if you have a superpower like Iron Man, you don't have to book a flight. You can fly anywhere.
Yes,
That's great.
ma'am, I want to help everybody and give beggars very good job.
Okay, you want to give beggars good job. You're going to be a businesswoman, going to give jobs to everybody, to make world a better place.
Ma'am, actually, I want to become a prime minister.
Amazing vision. Okay, we all pray that you get that superpower, Nishka.
Yes.
Yeah? All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Which superpower would you like to have?
I would like to have a superpower that can make anyone happy.
Wow, that's amazing.